Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Horizon of Science. Here, today we are going to learn about the cell theory and its discovery. As we all know, every living being is made up of cell, either it's a plant or an animal. The word cell is derived from the Latin word cellula, meaning small compartments. A cell is the smallest unit of all living beings, and it is also known to be structural and functional unit. So it is also known to be structural and functional unit. So now let us see how it is structural and functional unit. So here we can take the example of your house. So here you can see when we join the bricks, we form wall. When walls are joined together, they form rooms, and when all these rooms join together, they form house. So like that only here we can see cells means the similar cells when they join together, they give rise to tissue. When different kinds of tissues they join together, they form organs. When all the organs work in a coordinated manner, they form organ system. And when this organ system, when they work in coordinated manner, they form an organism. So this proves that it is a structural unit. Now, how is it functional unit? Any function performed by an organism is an outcome of the activity of the cells in its body. Or we can say all the functions of the body, physiological, biochemical, genetic and other functions carried out by cells. So this is how it's a functional unit. Now, discovery of the cell. How the cells got discovered. So first, a scientist named Antony van Leeuwenhoek invented simple microscope. Then what happened, children? He was the first to see blood cells in the capillaries of the foot web of the frog and recognized them as living units of living beings. He also observed the tiny single-celled animals in a drop of water but did not call them cells. So here point to be noted, he didn't coin the term cell but he called them living units. So what happened next? Afterwards, a scientist named Robert Hooke discovered and named the cells for the first time. So what did he do? He discovered a compound microscope and observed thin slices of cork under it. They were tree cork. He found that cork was made up of numerous tiny compartments resembling a honeycomb and named these as cells. Here you can see Antony van Leeuwenhoek and his simple microscope, and Robert Hooke, he found out the cells with the help of his compound microscope. Now cell theory. Now what led to the formation of cell theory? The research and observation of three scientists. They are Matthias Schleiden, Theodor Schwann and Rudolf Virchow lead to the formation of cell theory. The cell theory states that all living beings made up of one or more cells. Here, children, the living things which are made up of one cell are called unicellular animals. For example, amoeba, paramecium and chlamydomonas. And the living beings which are made up of more cells, means more than one cells, they are called multicellular animals like trees and plants around you. And cells are the basic structural and functional unit of all living beings. So we have just studied how they are called structural and functional unit. And third one, the new cells arise by the division of pre-existing cells. So here you can see, children, a cell is there, it's getting divided and it gave rise to two new cells. So new cells always arise from the older cells. And all cells are basically alike in chemical composition and metabolic processes. So their living part and non-living parts of the cells are always similar. So this is all about cell theory, children. So if you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And we will again meet in next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.